Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get scrap in PUBG step by step. Scrap is a special in-game resource in PUBG Mobile that is mainly used to upgrade weapon skins and progress through weapon labs. To start earning scrap, open PUBG on your device and log into your account. From the main lobby, head to the workshop or inventory section depending on your game version. Go to crates and you will see an option called workshop supplies. As you can see, this is my new ID and this option unlocks at level 12. One of the most common ways to get scrap is by dismantling duplicate weapon skins or items. Select an item you no longer need and choose the dismantle option to convert it into scrap. You can also earn scrap through events, missions, or seasonal rewards. Keep an eye on limited time events as they often include scrap as a bonus reward. You can also obtain scrap through crates. For example, if you open a crate and receive duplicate items, PUBG will automatically convert them into scrap. You also get scrap when opening contraband crates. Simply open any contraband crate and you will receive some scrap. And that's it. We just learned how to get scrap in PUBG by dismantling duplicate items, completing events, and opening crates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.